prizes, different prizes. They make apps. They are kids like you from 9, 10, 11, 12 standard students. I will show you photographs also I have in the presentation. They made apps. These apps are get prize in, there is a competition throughout the year. Name is, you can Google it, Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge. And in that they participated and get prizes. And you know, most of the students are from small cities like our Baroda, not metro cities students. They are from very normal city students, those who participated. July 14, 2020, it is announced that in order to give a major push to digital India, because now we are vocal for local things. Okay, we are promoting local things, not we will adopt from outside India or any other place. In order to give major push to digital India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge for students, teachers around the India and the startup community for creating world-class Made in India app. Highlighting the need to create an Atmanirbhar app ecosystem, PM Modi in an official link post said, today when the entire nation is working towards creating an Atmanirbhar Bharat, it is good opportunity to give direction to their efforts, moments to their hard work and mentorship to their talent to involve apps which can satisfy our market as well as compete with the world. So it is a chance to us, students like you, those who are interested in technology. You have ample of time right now, because now you can't come to school, you are not so much involved in other activities. So you have time to get coding, Java, C++ in home. There is lots of platform in the internet. Search it, try to adapt coding if you don't know. From today start coding and try to make different type of apps, small apps, gaming apps. So one those apps are which are get prize in Atmanirbhar Bharat competition. That is Kutuki Kids Learning App. This is an interactive app. You can Google this app also. For small children, in which kids can learn a lot about math and science through stories and songs. It also contains activities and games. Similarly, there is an app for microblogging platform. It is called Co, through which we can communicate and interact through text, audio and videos in our mother tongue. Similarly, Chingari app is gaining popularity amongst the youth. He added, you know, a TikTok banned from China. After that, this app is very much famous. This is an Indian app made by very simple students like you. One app is Ask Sarkar. There is an app which you can interact via checkboards and get good information about any government scheme. This app can help you in text, audio and video from also the Prime Minister's statement. There is one more app, Step Set Go, which is a fitness app. It keeps all record of how much you walk, how many calories you can know about that. That all are from outside India, not made by India. These apps are made by India, and now we have to promote this app. This also motivates us to stay fit. So Prime Minister Modi and all told you to give an effort to make small things to give India local products. Now see children, they are the kids of like you who are getting awards in that function, that award function. They are very small, like 11, 12 students. Okay, now we'll start our story. This is the thought of the story. In the morning you came in the library session, so I thought you have to give some thoughts. You can write in your notebook this thought. The master is like a potter, English one, not Hindi. The master is like a potter who makes the clay which gets framed under feet into a worshipping idol from his art. This is the theme of our today's story. Being Beautiful, the story of a king and a peasant, that I will tell you. Okay, you write it in your notebook. Then I will start the story, Be Beautiful. Before starting the story, I will show you one picture and ask you few questions. One by one, I will mute you and you will give me answer. And also you will write in chat box. First, write this thought. The master is like a potter who makes the clay which gets framed under feet into a worshipping idol from his art. You can see this? Oh, very good. Now, I will show you one picture. You will see and then I will ask you question. And then we will start our story. The story name is Being Beautiful, the story of a king and a peasant. Now children, see the picture. Here 3 creatures are there. One is a bird, one is dog and one is an old man. The bird is asking, don't you feel tired of following him around? Then dog is replying, but that is my duty. What's yours? Children, what do you feel about the duty? See the picture, see the conversation, and what you feel, what should be one person's duty? That is my question. And now I will give chance. Think about that. I will ask you. You can write in chat box. I will read. I will read for you. You can write in chat box what you feel, what should be one person's duty. Anyone? Anyone can tell me the answer? What you feel? Yeah, very good, Pritha. Pritha is written to be loyal to your master. Yeah, that should be our duty. We should loyal. This picture is showing that to be loyal to your master. That should be our motto, our duty of life. And one more thing. Anyone can. What should our duty? What should be our duty? Our duty to protect. Protect whom? Protect everyone. Protect all. Yes, you are right. Hina Barot, you are right. You are right. Our duty is to protect every creature who comes under our care. Krupesha is written to care of any animal or older than us and birds or anything. Yeah, you are right. Yes, you are right. Very good. Okay, now I will start narration the story. Then I will ask many questions. Now you have to give answer. Each and every student I want answer. Okay, now I'm starting my story. Once, see the picture. Once there was a discussion going on in Indra's court. One of the demigods said that there are a brave, kind king on the earth who would not hesitate laying down his own life to protect others, those who come to them for shelter. Another demigod did not believe this statement. The god began to argue. Indra Bhagwan stopped them. And he said, stop quarreling from going further by asking both of them to pay a visit to earth and find out for themselves. The 2 demigods liked the idea. One of them took the form of a pigeon and the other one took the form of a hawk. Then they flew to earth. Children, demigod means the god who is half man, half god. They are immortal. Gods are mortal, but demigods are not mortal. They are immortal. They come to the world also, earth also, and they go to the heaven also. They move everywhere. So 2 demigods were fighting that there is a there is a king in the earth who is so loyal and who is so beautiful that he protects everyone who comes to take shelter in the and they are quarreling. Another demigod said, no, I am not believe this type of person, not in the earth there is no such type of person. But Indra Bhagwan also want to know about the thing. What is there any king like this? live in the earth. So he said, you go.
Ma'am, someone present your screen.
Both of you go and see whatever you want to say, right, don't speak. So both of them said that you go and see what is the matter. You go to that king's palace and ask. So one demigod converted as a pigeon and another demigod converted as hawk. Children, pigeon, you know, hawk is a bird, a prey bird who is very surprisingly chase other animals. You can see in the picture there is a picture of hawk. So on the earth there was a king called Meghrata. He was sitting in his court surrounded with his countries when a pigeon flew in through an open window and came and sat on the lap of the king. The king understood that the pigeon had come to him looking for shelter and protection. Soon after, a hawk flew into the court. He said to the king, "This is pigeon. This pigeon is my prey. Give it back to me." The king was surprised to heard a bird is speaking. However, he replied, "It is true that this pigeon is your prey, but I can give you some other food, whatever you want. But don't take that pigeon because it is in my shelter. I have to protect it." Children, Meghrat's father was a king also. His name was Devdrat and he was the guru of Meghrat. And he always teach him to protect the other person because he was a king. So his main work to protect the person or animal or any creature who is coming to shelter. So that thing, he take his father as his guru and he so much love his guru that he always listen whatever he said. And that point, what his father told him to give shelter, all the creature who come to you as a shelter. He always remembered that, and for that he follow all the values his guru told him. He ordered his servant to bring a basket of sweets. But the hawk said, "I am not a human being. I cannot eat sweets. I need the pigeon for my food." The king said, "Let me give you my own flesh instead of this pigeon." On hearing this, the one of the courtiers said, "Your Majesty, why should you give your own flesh? Let's get the flesh from the butcher's shop." The king replied, "No, the butcher will have to kill another animal in the order to supply us the meat. This pigeon has come to me for protection and it is my duty to protect it. But while doing so, I should not be causing harm to some another animal. Therefore, I will give my own flesh to the hawk." Children, now what Meghrat done? Meghrat took out a dagger and cut off a piece of flesh from his thigh and offered. He cut a piece of flesh from his thigh and offered it to the hawk. The whole court was stunned. The hawk said to king, "Oh king, I want the same amount of flesh as the pigeon." So a weighing scale was brought to the court. The king put the pigeon on one side and a piece of his own flesh on the other side. These students are coming. Okay. So what happened? For the court, the king put a pigeon on the other side and a piece of his own flesh on the other. The king kept putting more and more of his flesh on the scale, but it was still not equal to the pigeon. Finally, the king was ready to put his whole body on the scale. His courtiers couldn't believe that the king was going to sacrifice his life for a mere bird. For Meghrat, it was his duty to protect the pigeon at all costs. He sat on one of the scales and the pigeon on the other. The king closed his eyes and started praying. Immediately, the pigeon, the pigeon and the hawk both come to close the cage. And they returned to their real form. See here, they returned in their original form. Both the demigods bowed to the king and said, "Oh great king, you are blessed. You are inconvenienced that you are brave. We are inconvenienced that you are a brave and merciful man." Saying this, they saluted the king and left. All the courtiers praised the king aloud, saying, "Long live the king Meghrath." Children, this is the story of Meghrath and his father's values which he adopted in his whole life. And later, on the soul of King Meghrath, become the 16th Tirthankar, Santinath. You can Google Santinath, you can get this story. And this story is adapted from the Jain story. These stories are called mythological stories. Okay, after the class, I will send you one form, Google form. There you have to write story narration, book review, like story review. There one point is there. From which genre this story is coming. You have to write mythology. Okay, this is mythological story. Now, what we get from this story? We owe duty not just for ourselves, for our friends and families, but to every creature on the earth. We need to be cautious to our duties in whatever we do. By carrying out our duties, we act as responsible people. Children, now I will start questioning. There is few questions. I will ask one by one. And I will mute the person and unmute the person. I will ask to unmute and they will give me answer. Okay, I will ask orally. If you not see the presentation, no problem, you listen. I will ask orally also. Why did the pigeon seek shelter on the king's lap? Children, you start writing in chat box. You start writing in that chat box. Hina Barot, unmute yourself and give me answer. Why did the pigeon seek shelter on the king's lap?
The pigeon seek shelter on the pigeon's lap because he wanted that he was a demigod and wanted to test him.
Very good. Now mute yourself. Yes, he wants to judge the king that he is loyal. What people said about him, it is true or not. Now, who will give me answer? Any other? Anyone else? Utkar, you can give me answer. Aman is there? No, Aman is not there. Question is, why did the pigeon seek shelter on the king's lap? Yeah, he wanted to judge the king. Okay, next question is for Rawat. Some Rawat is there. Bonita Rawat. Okay, you will give the next answer. Listen carefully the question. What did the king do for the pigeon as his duty? What did the king do for the pigeon as his duty?
And the king gave protect the
बेटा अपना स्पीकर को पास में लाओ और आराम से धीरे धीरे बोलो. आराम से.
whole body to the rock to protect the pigeon.
Yes, he is right. Vansh, don't present yourself. You can see me. There is two screens. One, I am visible. Another, my presentation is visible. And recording is there. Okay? Now, Vansh will give me answer. What do you understand about the character of King Meghrath? I know you don't know about the story because you come very late. Answer 3, who is giving me answer very nicely, very good. You're giving me very nice answer. 1 second, I will read the chat box. Answer 3. Question is, what do you understand about the character of King Meghrad? King Prem Shah. Prem, very good. King Meghrad was a kind and always fulfilled his promise. Very good. Millie is writing, he was caring and loyal. Very good, Millie. You are giving right answer. King was Rudraksha written, King was kind and caring. Krishna Pandya's written, Madam, still I'm not able to see screen. Okay, beta, you have to scroll. Everyone can see. Everyone, thumbs up. You can see my screen and oh, very good. Give the thumbs up in chat box so that person can see that how to see in the online class, how to see things in online class. Because I am very much visible. I have 2 laptops. In one I can see myself and presentation, and in another one I am watching you. So it is very much visible. Okay, very good. Now, 4th number question. Would you call him foolish? Hashnain, you will give me answer. Would you call him foolish? Hashnain, unmute yourself.
मैम मेरी बहन का चल रहा था इसलिए मैं नहीं था मैम.
That is not right, na? Okay, no problem. Okay. Mute yourself. It's okay. Now, you will, Hina Parrot, you will give me all the answers. Okay. Unmute yourself and give me answer.
The king was not foolish because he had to he helped and fulfilled his promise of his duty and to protect the pigeon.
Very good. Very good. Now mute yourself. Now Pritha is written, no, because he was fulfilling his duty. Very good. Prem written, no, we will not call him foolish because he fulfilled his promise and do his duty. Yes. Very good. All are writing very nicely. Krupesh Shah, no. Mahar Usha, yeah, you are writing now. No, we will not say him selfish because he gave him his flesh to save the pigeon. Very good. Now 5th number. What do you understand by the word duty? This is the main question. This is the moral of the story that I am asking in the book review. This question I put in the book review also, which you will finish. After 2:30, I will send you. Give me proper feedback now, okay? Fill up the form. Next week, I will discuss about your answers. Now, what do you understand by the word duty? Boys, wake up. Many boys are there. Give me answer. What do you understand by the word duty? Pritha, Prem. Lokasa, chalo, give me answer. Lokasa, unmute yourself and give me answer. What you understand by duty? Any type of duty. What should the duty of a person? As a person, what should our duty? Hina Barot, I will give you chance, but Loka, say. No. Okay. Lokasha will not. Okay. One student written very nicely. Bhavik Pandya. A moral or legal obligation, a responsibility. Wow. Great. Very good. A task, Moksh Parmar is written, a task or action that is required to perform as a part of a job is known as duty. Bhavik Panchal is written, I understood that we should not give up from our duty and should do our duty wholeheartedly. Prem written, what duty is to do our work properly and kindly. Great. Like now, children, once you want to say something, want to give me answer, the only answer. What you feel about duty? Any type of duty. If you not listen to the story, no problem. You tell me what should duty call. Speak, at least speak 4 words in English. Vansh. Then I will say what is called duty. Okay. Children, duty including everything that we must do for the sake of others. Meghrat, being the king, felt it is to be his duty to protect whoever come to him for shelter. His sense of duty made him selfless, merciful, and responsible. In our everyday lives, we must carry out our duties to many besides our family and friends. As citizens of India, we have our duties to our country. That I said earlier. We have to do something to for our country. It is progressing now. Now from developing, our country is going to developed country. So we have how we can give our things to make our country bright and beautiful. As citizens of India, we have our duties to our country. We have certain duties to the oppressed and unprivileged of our society. We also need to be conscious of and carry out our duties to the environment. Conscious of one's duty makes one responsible and sensitive. Makes one think of the every action in relation to others. A dutiful person is never self-centered or selfish. Before doing anything for himself or herself, such a person always thinks whatever such a thing goes against his or her duty. Okay, children, maybe you have enough material to write the moral of the story. You have to write in that, huh? But I want from your side your things about the duty. And what I said, start learning coding. I will ask in next library class. You are joining coding classes or not? Don't join. Just go through the online coding classes, which is. Don't copy my message. Who is writing this? Krupesh Shah. Who is Krupesh? Come front. Who is Krupesh? Now I'm stopping that recording. Now I will talk with you some other.